So over here, you can see that I got a text object and this shape object. I can go ahead onto the selection tool right here and then click and move it out right here just like this. And let's say, for example, resize it, place it wherever I want by using the selection tool. So all you need to do is click and drag around right here wherever you want. And then you can modify it out as you like. To resize it out, you can go ahead and use these handles over here on the end as well. And then click and drag it around as you like. So that is basically how you can go ahead and select out the objects that you have, move them, resize them, and rotate them as you like inside of Jotboard. So let's say, for example, if I were to have a new sticky note, let's say, for example, then I can go ahead and move it, resize it, rotate it, and place it wherever I want. So that is how you can go ahead and select, move, resize, and rotate out objects that you have inside of Jotboard. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe